So every time I've been coming to my call recordings list, I've been seeing this little notification that there's a new feature. Hopefully everyone else has seen it, but if you haven't, I want to show you what it does. So usually when you go to your call recordings list, it feels like you're missing some information. So I see who this call is with, but I don't know if it's related to an object like, a company or a contact or a deal. But that is no more the case. You can go to table actions here, hit columns, and now you have these associations that you can check and uncheck if you want to see them in this initial view of your call recordings list. Instead of having to click into the call to see what the associations are, I can now see it right here. Got the information that I need. It's going to help managers that are coaching. It's going to help reps that are trying to go through their calls and share them. Super helpful. And again, it's HubSpot, so you can also just customize the view. I think I want to see companies first, and then I want to see, let's get some deals in there. I think I want to move that up there too. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. Now I got the information I need. So don't forget, guys, don't hate, associate.